Why does your scanner show the P0112 engine code? What does it mean? P0112 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature, IAT circuit low input. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer, PCM, detected a voltage from the IAT sensor that is too low. This typically happens due to a short in the sensor circuit or a faulty IAT sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IAT sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, loose or corroded connectors, faulty mass airflow MAF sensor, PCM problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.